All right, I went into Canva and I put in inches. Now I bought these labels, thermal labels, off of Amazon. They come in different colors. And what I'm doing is I'm going up to custom and I'm putting in create a new design. I put in 2.25 in width by 1.25. Create a new design. Then you can type in anything you want. So let's just say thank you. Now, because I have not figured out how to print these in color yet, I am just going to turn this to black. I go over here to my default colors, change it to black, and let's change this to black too. Okay, then I'm going to type thank you because I'm going to name it, and that I'm doing up here. Then we're going to download it. Now when I download it, I use the JPEG and hit download. Now it should save it down here on my computer. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit that and it opens it up on my screen. Then I go to print. Now I already have the printer set up as my thermal printer. And then here where it says paper size, I'm going to put in that 2.25. All right. And here the number of labels I want. So let's just do 50. Because this is a huge roll. And like I said, I will put in the comments how much it was. As you can see it back here, I bought this new, let's see, what would you call that? Okay, my Rollo Printer sit on the bottom of it, and then it has a thing that goes across the top for the bigger labels to roll off of it. You put it together. I'll put a link to that too. It's just, let me see, what's it called? It just says desktop label printer on the box, but it actually holds the Rollo labels, and then it holds a roll up top if you want. Now, when you open your Rollo printer, you are going to have to adjust those little adjustment things just to hit the tip of the labels, and then you push it down. When it goes to green, then you know it's ready to print, and then we just hit print. Isn't that cool? Who needs a special printer? No way, we just need a Rollo. And there you go. Now, I don't know if it's only Canva Pro that does this, but I did a trial of Canva Pro for the month, so it was free. So I thought, while I have the free trial, I'm gonna set up my own stickers. These come like in several colors, but they are for thermal printing, which is what this is. This is a thermal printer, so you will need that. All right, I just thought I'd share with you how easy it is to make your own labels. I'm tired of the post office bending my signs. So this reads, do not bend. You bend it, you break it. Not that they care, right? But hey, I got to put my thing on there. The words I want on there. This one says, please do not bend. You bend it, you break it. Then I have, this says just a little something to say thank you. And then thank you. All right, you all have a great day. And if you have any questions, let me know.